What is the positioning of IHMs in the field of hospitality education in India and globally? IHMs under NCHMCT are ranked as the best hospitality and hotel management school in India. In 2024, our ascent from 14th to 12th by the CEO World Rankings USA marks a significant milestone in our global standing. 12th rank in best hospitality schools across the globe. When we talk about IHM, it is not just about cooking and hotel management, but we can discover much more fields like event manager and coordinator, sales and marketing, human resources, travel and tourism, government sector, faculty in IHM, entrepreneurship, cruise ship jobs, hospitality consulting, front office executive and manager, housekeeping supervisor and manager, food and beverage executive and manager, railways, airlines, banking, amusement park, retails outlet, and many more.